Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the mean value, mean square value and variance of the random process. Coming to the solution, given that the autocorrelation function R of tau is equal 25 tau square plus 36 by 6.25 tau square plus 4. So using properties of autocorrelation function, we can determine mean value, mean square value and variance of the random process. So first calculate the mean value of the random process. So we know that expectation of x of t whole square is equal limit tau tends to infinity r x of tau. So now here first substitute tau is equal to infinity here, and the numerator tau is there and denominator tau is there. Infinity square is infinity, infinity plus something infinity, so infinity by infinity is infinity, so that is meaningless. So therefore in the numerator term take the common tau square, and the denominator term is also take the common tau square, and after taking numerator and denominator tau square, numerator and denominator tau square is the cancel, and the remaining RHS term is limit tau tends to infinity 25 plus 36 by tau square by 6.25 plus 4 by tau square. So now substitute tau is equal to infinity. So now substitute tau is equal to infinity. Here 36 by infinity 0, 4 by infinity is 0. So therefore expectation of x of t whole square is equal 25 by 6.25 is equal to 4. So this is the expectation of x of t whole square value. So expectation of x of t is equal to 2. The mean value of x of t is 2. Next, find out the mean square value of x of t. We know that using properties of autocorrelation function, expectation of x square of t is rxx of 0. In the given autocorrelation function, substitute tau is equal to 0. We get expectation of x square of t is 9. Next, find out the variance of x of t. The expression of variance of x of t is expectation of x square of t minus expectation of x of t whole square. Here expectation of x square of t is 9 and expectation of x of t is 2. So therefore 9 minus 4 is equal to 5.